ain't never had to go through the struggle, nigga. You ain't never had to. Like, you ain't never. Yeah. You wouldn't understand. I'm trying to tell you, man. No bullshit. I was on 3-4 fucked up, praying that I might get back. We was always locking, nigga. We never had some. I'ma tell you the truth up in the song, I ain't gon' fucking cap. Came up on the little 22 and started getting back. Shocking matter happened, we was everywhere across the map. Caught another case, got locked up, like damn, you back. I'll never tell on my brother, that's a proven fact. Thought off the drink for the sleep and started missing out. Got him catch strips from double back, I got the catch pad. I don't know why you cuffed the bitch, she a nasty rat. I just wanna fuck a little bitch, then back to the trap. In the kitchen, beat some shit down like a lumberjack. When all those girls, I swear to God, that shit hurt my side. Just fucked up TT and get to see Max 10 years old. We gon' keep on going for you, we know this world cold. E-bike the Hyundai, almost smacked the power. A head core nigga, I really get him out. Beat the horse twice, come in the back, I'm finna get it sound. Niggas out of order, really wrong, then the key is solved. Some fat out of Rogers down, now we really loud. Stop asking me who pop me, nigga, cause I don't really know. When I see that whip, I swear to God, that bitch gotta go. Matter of fact, spin the block again, we going back for miles. Never know who out to get you, better watch how brows. And that's just some shit you gotta know. I remember walking in the winter, I ain't had no coat. Little dog said he gon' rob me, must be off the couch. That's some real demons off the lows and they trying to blow. So the fuck you want me? I'm in the kitchen, really get glass down. Tryna hit, tryna get it back, then move the fuck I got some pops on the north and the south, I can't wait long. Hold on, who the fuck is just calling my phone? All the show bitch, caught the bitch, then sent her home. Real TRT, I be tipping with the gloves on. Thought I hood, I'm spark the bees and know we up in mode. That's the E-brake, then the tire marks up on the road. How you niggas playing that chop ball and never been on the road? Me, I got a bad bitch, that stuff the law. When I say go, she gon' hide it from a pow-pow. Niggas gon' talk down, but that's how life goes. Bitches, it really set you up, you gotta watch these hoes. My road, keep getting bigger and it don't fall. That's boy for real, bitch, I'm really off too far. Heard a nigga talking on the P, we had to kick his dog. Mask on in the kitchen, I'm finna rustle grand. Yeah, that's some fool, you can get it like I work at Sam. I'm plugging shit, it's 100 for a fucking gram. Got the junkie saying, goddamn, fed up in this box, and if you really went ham. This bitch a freak, put her on cam. Kitchen playing 36 bars, finna do my dance. Never try so many times you wouldn't understand. Like what I love at, I'm tryna be a better man. On that jail phone, I said what I fucking said. What about shit, still walking around this bitch like the man. Remember all them long nights in a minivan. Remember all them summer days we was playing cans. If you wanna get rich, you gotta take a chance. Feel like you real, why you fuck me then fuck my friend? I ain't even wanna fuck, I just got the head. Ain't had no papa, so I brought 2 lines of some bread. Young nappy head nigga, I used to have dread. Super loud pick in my phone screaming, fuck the feds. Lil Ross, nigga, on the G, nigga. Free my brothers, LTB, the motherfucking mob. Dumbass niggas. Just because I got popped out, I don't mean shit. I still got a couple G's and a bad bitch.